Hello guys, let me take you to a quick tour to my room at Villa Calli Siargao. So, inside the room is pantry. So, they have pantry. So, they have also induction cooker and also rice cooker, heater. So, if you want to cook, so pwede ka rin magbili ng mga food. So, magluto ka lang. So, they have also utensils here. Cup, my glass. So, water and also a mini refrigerator. So, you can stay here not to buy food in the restaurant, but you can buy food in the market and then magluto ka lang. So, meron siyang table dito. So, in case na after mong magluto, so, dito kakain. Then, this is the bedroom. This is the bed. It's a king size bed. So, they have also television with, I think, Netflix, chandelier. Then outside is an attic. Attic. It's not an attic. So dito yung outside. Dito attic. Attic lang yung sinabi. Terrace. It's a terrace. It's some kind of terrace. So that's it. So let me take you to their CR. Wait lang. So let me take you to the CR. Actually, the CR is clean. Very clean. This is CR. They have also a blower, a shower. I think it's. They have also a heater if you want some hot water in case. So that's it. That's the room. It's kind of studio type condo because they have pantry. So you can cook. You don't need to eat in a fancy restaurant here or any. You can buy food in the market and you can cook. So that's it. The whole room. So this is my day 1 in Siargao. Yes guys, this is my day 1 in Siargao. And it's windy outside. And they have, na may binigay silang letter. Nasa ligatag na letter. And then it's all about an information that there's a typhoon coming in Wednesday, December 15, and that's my birthday. What the is? Huwag kang tumuloy bagyo. It's the super typhoon name Odette. That's it for now, guys. Bye-bye.